In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to input characters from the keyword. So, character is a primitive data types and we can input it through the scanner class. So, let's discuss about how can we input a character from a keyword. So, basically to read a character, we use next.char@. Next function returns the next token word in the input as a string and char@ function returns the first character of that string. So this is the method next.char@ which is present in a scanner class. So first of all we have to make a scanner class object and then we can execute that, or we can say that we can access that method with the help of scanner class object. Let's see the code how to read a character from a keyboard. So here we can use the scanner class to input a character from a keyboard. First of all, we have to import a java util.scanner because scanner class is present in util package. So first of all, we have to import that class, and that for importation we use import and then the package name and class name. So we use import java.util.scanner and then make a class that is public class input character, and inside the main method, first of all we have to make an object of scanner class. So I make scanner sc is an object reference is equals to new, which is used to create the object scanner, and system.in, that is system.outprint, and then I write input a character. This statement will represent on a console, and then we write char c, a variable which is used to store the character, and then sc.next.charact@, which is used to, this method was used to read a character, and then for printing the character we use just you have entered and C, because C stores the readed character value. Let's compile it. For compilation, Zavak input character.java, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java input character. See, it will ask that input a character. Here I write B. It will print that you have entered B. Similarly, if I want to add another character, let's see it. If I write here T in capital, then it will print Kitty in capital. So in this way, we take a input character. Thank you.